So ito guys ang karton niya guys. So tingnan natin yung ano meron sa loob. Ayan guys. So ito yung pinaka cable guys sa kung mag i-jumper mo doon sa car battery guys. Ayan guys. Tapos mayroong USB charger o cable guys, type C guys, naka pouch pa guys. So guys, ito yung main na gadget guys. Yun guys, yan ganda guys. Pwede rin pala siya guys na early warning device guys. So ayan guys. Wow. So nakaganyan guys. So kung may nasiraan ka guys ng sasakyan, pwede siyang magiging early warning device guys. So talagang malaking pakinabang to guys. So mamaya testingin ko to guys kung kaya niyang mag-start guys sa sasakyan guys. So tingnan natin sa loob guys. So dito guys mayroon siyang yun guys, USB charger at saka yung port ng jump start cable guys. Yan guys. Tapos guys ito yung on off guys. So i-on natin guys. So umiilaw siya guys, tingnan mo guys. Yan guys. So pindutin pa natin ang isa guys. Long press daw guys. Yun guys, umiilaw na siya guys. Liwanag guys. Galing. So hindi nyo nakikita yan ang ilaw niya guys. Yun, nag-blink siya guys. Yun guys, pwede siyang early warning device guys. Ayan guys, pwede siyang flashlight. Ang daming modes. Yun guys. Isang pindot pa guys, off na siya guys. Ganda guys. So mamaya guys, titesting ko to guys kung kaya niyang mag-start guys. So mamaya ulit guys. Ang ganda nito guys, malaking bagay to guys. Thanks guys.